Hi everybody and welcome back to a new unboxing video. Today the new lamps arrive and I'm very curious what I receive. I'm gonna unpack them and then I will show you what's in the box. Of course, then I'm gonna test them and gonna tell you what I like about the lamps and whatnot. But first, let me do the unboxing. The box is very good sealed, a lot of tape, so that's good. And of course, as you can see on the box, the lights are from Betopper. It are the stage lights, the new collection of them. So let's open the box quickly and see what's inside. There's a lot of protection in the box for the lamps, and I get the LF2405. That's this one, with a lot of small LEDs in there and bigger LEDs. And I get the other one, the LF4808, and that's only small LEDs. But first, let me open the LF2405. Me open the big box to see what's in there and what they deliver with the lamps. So of course there's protection stuff in there. And then I get the lamp out and let me see what's more in the box. There is the lamp, of course, with a protection plastic over there. It's a solid lamp. You can see the connections on the back side and you can see the knobs where you can choose which menu or other things, which settings you want. There's a power cable and there's a cable to go to the DMX controller. And this is the other box, the small box, LF4808, and that's this lamp is a little bit, it's the same size but a little bit flatter because there's not so much light in there. This is only LED, and of course you see the manual in there, also the protection stuff, and of course two cables, one for the power and one for the DMX. You also can use, I think, the lamps on a built-in microphone, so that then the microphone receives the sound and it will play its program. You can select the program on the back of the lamps. As you can see, there's a menu button, a menu up, a menu down. There's some other switches down there, and let me check if the other lamp is working. And the other lamp is also working. You see on the back, it's a little bit bigger on the back, but normally for the light, that's no problem. You see there's a totally different effect with the lights. So now you saw the stage lights I get, and I'm gonna test them out now. And I'm gonna do a review about the whole lamps. The things I like, I didn't like. The things I think they should be maybe changed or not. And of course, how user-friendly is the lamp. So I hope you like this unboxing video from me. It's a quick one. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, view my live streams. If you like the music, give me a comment. If you have questions, give me a comment. I put a link of the website of the lamps in the description. Enjoy. I see you in the next one.